My name is Devashish Mahato and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in Sholeave uniform right now, and I will be telling you today what if you get sick in our college, like basically in TS Chanakya. So we have a clinic in our campus itself, and we have two doctors which are coming regularly every day, one in the morning and one in the evening, and both the doctors are approved by the DG shipping, like DG approved doctors. So basically if you get fever, stomach pain, headache, or even cold, you can get a medicines. You can just go to doctors and you can just say your whatever your concerns are. Like for example, for me today I'm going to a hospital called DY Patil. The reason is I'm getting my wisdom tooth in my left jaw, so I'm getting a pain. So for that like it required a dentist, right? So I'm going to the hospital, so they are referring me to the hospital. And if I show you the example of mine, like if you see this is the parchi we call, I mean receipt or something like that. So here it's like my name, my ship number, the date, and they have the doctor had written like refer to DY Patil dental OPD for pain in left wisdom tooth for Sholeave. So we have to fill a Sholeave form, then we have to take the sign of HOD, course in charge, and an instructor. Then we have to like submit it in the like main gate, and you have to write the time from which time to which time you have taken the permission. So I took from 0930 hours to 1400 hours, but let's see how it goes. So I will be telling you how it will be. As I have time, so I will be taking a local train to Nerul. It's like next one station, so I'm not taking an auto or something like that. So it's going to be crazy part of it. I have been there for one more time, I think, for my ENT something, and let's see how it goes for today. I'm going to the hospital, as I said, and you might be thinking ki if I'm going to the hospital, then what it happens for my classes and all. So it's very basic, it's very simple. Like as I'm going to hospital, so like in classes, because it's in working hours, it's not on holiday today because today is Tuesday, so they will be marking me absent. So first half is like absent, so I will be losing my half day attendance today. And if I talk about our attendance criteria or something like that, it's like it should be 85%. We should maintain 85% without any penalty or something. The least is 75%. Below that you will be getting a year back. So basically we can take 13.5 days off, but that includes your medical or something like that. If you exceed this, you will be penalized by your fines, like for I think 80 to 85% you will be giving 6,000, and 75 to 80 you will be giving 12,000. And below that, my dear friend, you will be getting a year back. So you might think कि ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, this type of things, but the reality is many cadets have went through this. They got a year back and they are repeating. And trust me, if you repeat it, it's a different scenario, because you will be treated as a junior and your junior will be your batchmate. So that's the worst part, I would say. And forgive me for my English, I'm just trying to speak. As you can see, this is the ground where they play cricket basically, and this is the streets of Siuts. And if I walk more 100 meters, approx 100 meters or 50 meters, I have a turning, and where from there I can go. We have a Siut Rave railway station for locals, and I will be taking a local train. But before that, I will be taking a ticket, because my luck is not that much good. Because I remember for once I went with my friends to Belapur, and when I reached Belapur, there was a TT, and he took from me and from my friends 260 rupees. So it's not worth it, because the ticket price itself are 5 to 10 rupees, that's it. So for that 10 rupees, I don't think you wanted to give 260 or 270 rupees. So it's better to take a ticket, because we don't know what the luck is. तो यही सब है. So as I said, I will be giving interviews if I get shortlisted. I got my rank list. My rank is 28, and as of now, total 113 cadets are left for placement. In that 113, my rank is in 28th. So basically, I will be getting chance hopefully. So anyhow, I will be giving synergy exam. So for that, I need a communication skill, that too in English. So that is the reason you're watching me and you're listening me in English in season 2. So let's cross the road. You know, we have a lot of traffic here, and this is the accident area. And the best part, I will say, if you show hand to a car like I do in my hometown, they are not going to slow down their vehicle. So it's very important that you just follow the traffic rules, like you should cross in zebra crossing and all those stuffs. So let's go to the train.
6 hours later.
So finally I am in my room. ठीक है. So आज का दिन कुछ ज़्यादा ही hectic था. वो थोड़ा हिंदी हो गया ना, English. हाँ, तो as you can see my face, it's like full of sweaty, and reports are like normal. So basically they have asked me to come on Thursday again for the wisdom tooth extraction. First they said that they will be doing non-surgical extraction. If it's successed, then they won't be doing that surgical extraction. So that was a part. If I talk about the expenses which it took, like expenses, 20 rupees for the form and 300 rupees for the, I think, x-ray. So, and if I talk about the extraction fees, they said if they will be doing a normal one which is non-surgical, it will cost around 30 rupees, and if they go for surgical one, it will cost 300 rupees. It's per tooth. So it's like, for me, there is only one tooth, and I just took a painkiller, and now I am feeling hungry, so I bought dhusa and idli for my lunch, and I will have that. And anyhow, my first half and second half got absent because right now it's fourth period is going on, and definitely it would be absent. So it's like full day absent is gone, like attendance is gone for me. So right now it's a waste to go to classroom because I won't get attendance, right? So this is how it is, like. So I don't have any issue in this. See you guys on Thursday. Tomorrow I will be doing classes, then again Thursday I will be going at morning. Let's see how the experience will be, because it's like first time for me for this extraction type of things. So let's see how it goes basically. So if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe the channel, and further episodes will be in the same mode. By the word mode, I mean the language will be in English. And just tell me in the comment section that how is my English right now, which are the areas where I can improve myself, so that it will help me in my further interviews. So just tell me in the comment section, right? Okay, so see you on Thursday. Okay.
2,000 years later.
So it's not Thursday actually, today is Tuesday. I said that see you on Thursday, but today is Tuesday. That means it's already 1 week. So what happened, I will tell you. Like when I went on Thursday for my extraction, so when they extracted my teeth, left side, this side. So they just extracted it, and they put some stitches on my lower jaw, and I was facing problem to speak much, because the doctor has said me to like talk less, and just talk less, eat only soft food. So that was my part. So that's the reason I have not showed you how it went through basically. So today is Tuesday, and today I went for the show leave. I took permission, the same procedures follows as I did for the earlier. I went and I just removed my stitches because it got healed and I will be showing you some of my x-ray. As you can see in your screen, this is my x-ray, and I don't understand how to see this x-rays and all, but if you have any idea, then you can make sure you can, by seeing this x-ray you will get something if you know how to see x-ray or you are from medical field or like that. And after coming from the appointment, basically after removing my stitches, I had a big hunger because today I have not done, I intentionally I don't had today breakfast, because from past 5 to 7 days I was just eating bread and milk. So because of that sudden change in diet, I got a problem of my guts, because it's a sudden change, right? So I have to switch over to the normal diet so that my digestive systems goes on, because I was consuming a less fiber food and water intake. So because of that I am feeling that guts problem. So I just said these things to my doctors. Then he said it's a normal, because after every surgery or something like that, when you shift your diet, it's a normal. Again, just you have to take more water intake and you have to be in your back to that same diet, then it will be normal. So yeah, if you face this type of scenarios in your coming ages or something like that, don't get panic. It's just a normal thing. And coming to the basic, I will be showing you today breakfast what I had idli sambar, and trust me, it costed me around 60 rupees. And the same idli, I will say, if I eat on my hometown, it will be costing me around 20 rupees or something like that. So that's the difference. The difference is because this is Mumbai and that is like my hometown, a small city. So that's the expenses. So that was the thing I would say about this episode, where I have said how to tackle these things if your health get worse and worse and worse. So it's like a basic thing. So this is how it goes in my college. I don't know about the other colleges, but I can say about only my colleges, because I am here for almost 2.5 years now. It's like 3 years for me. So yeah, this is the part. So if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, and yeah, see you in next episode. So just you can tell me how my English is going on as of now. And one more thing I have to share with you all guys. As I said that I got passed and all those stuffs, my rank was in 24th. Recently one company is coming tomorrow. The date is 4th of Feb. I don't know which company is coming, but they are coming. They are conducting written examination tomorrow. Okay. So what happened was, I was expecting कि I will be getting chance because my rank is great. I am all clear, and my rank is pretty good, like 24 out of they have sent I think 63 cadets names, and out of that they selected 9 or 10 from BSc Nautical Science. So basically they went through those rank list. So my rank was in 24. So I was expecting I will be getting chance, but unfortunately or fortunately, I have not got it. It's in rejection. Yeah. And it's not my first rejection. When I was in 4th semester, when I had all cleared, not 4th, yeah, 4th, right? When I was doing 4th semester, not like I given my end semester. I'm telling about when I was in 4th semester, when I was all cleared, then also 2 companies have came to our campus for placement. The first one was MSI, the second one was Chelship, and in that also I was in top 15 or top 20. But in that also I was rejected. In 5th semester, when I had one back paper, celestial navigation, then I had zero hopes कि my name will go or something like that. So though our placements in charge sir had sent those rank list and all, assuming the 4th semester's results, I mean 3rd semester results before itself to Tom Tankers. So they have replied in our 5th semester when we are about to start our 5th semester. So I was shortlisted in Tom Tankers, and guess what, I had a one back paper. So I was like, I just missed that opportunity. And now when I'm all clear, my rank is too good. as of now, I'm not getting shortlisted. This is how, like, if you believe or not, I always say it depends on kismat. It doesn't matter कि आप अगर मेहनत कर लोगे सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स में तो आपका प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा. It's like luck. I always say do hard work and luck is more important. And I don't know you believe or not, but I believe in I have believe. I'm not like अंधविश्वास नहीं है. I just believe the faith and astrology at some point of time. So I just went through my astrology. So it said me that I won't get placed easily. I won't get spoon feeded. I have to work hard, and that is like संघर्ष से मिलेगा, but you will have a stable career. So let's see how it goes. Like now I don't know. Now I have only one. Sorry for this disturbance, but I was saying I have only one thing in my mind, that is I have only one option where I can rely with, that is Synergy Maritime. So I will be giving my 200% to Synergy. So today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. I will fix everything what I'm lacking in prospect to my health. Like recently I had my wisdom tooth removed. Now I have that guts problem. So today I will take I will follow the normal diet, and by tomorrow I will be fresh. And from tomorrow I will be start preparing for my Synergy exam itself. So now forms are not out, but definitely they will be coming. So let's see how it goes. Like that is the only thing which I can do it, and it is like what I will say, it is matching with my astrology and all those stuffs. I know कुछ लोग कहेंगे कि यार क्या ये सब में मान रहा है, बट जब कुछ नहीं होता ना तुम्हारे आसपास, जब तुमको दिखता है कि ऐसा हो रहा है और ये फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं है, देन तुम्हें वो बातें भी सच लगने लगती है जो तुम्हें एक टाइम पे लगता है कि नहीं ये सब सारी कुछ भी अफवाह ये वो वगैरह वगैरह. सो आई थिंक यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? So this is what I will be keeping these episodes 95% in English and few things like in Hindi, because emotions comes out in our mother tongue. So that was the part. So see you guys in upcoming things and all those stuffs. And thank you for supporting me. Right now I think we are 380 plus 85 plus subscribers as of now I am seeing. So many more to go. See you in the next like what do you call that, episodes, right? This is I think 20th episode. See you in the next episodes.